Clearly becoming older is a part of life, but there are things you can do to slow down the wrinkles from showing up too fast. And all of that starts with your diet. That's right, there are plenty of good-for-you foods to leave you feeling young. From full hair and smooth skin to white teeth and painless joints, these easy-to-find foods will keep you feeling and looking healthy. And if you are watching Rich Flava for the first time, hit the subscribe and bell button to get all our updates. Olive oil. Whether you use it for baking or making homemade dressings, olive oil is certainly among your staples in the pantry. While you may already know it's good for your ticker, you may not be aware it's a strong wrinkle fighter as well. Unlike omega-6 packed canola oil, saturated fats, and partially hydrogenated oils contained in many processed foods, olive oil is a safe omega-3 packed fat that has been shown to protect the skin from free radical damage. The antioxidants present in olives can also help to reduce skin damage, which can lead to wrinkles and blemish. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, with their high water content and plenty of vitamins, are a prime choice to make. But what really makes them shine is their lycopene, a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals that age and cause wrinkles on the skin. Eating tomato paste could also protect against sunburn and sun-related skin aging, one study showed. To get the full skin-boosting value, before eating them, throw your tomato on the grill. Once it heated, your body can use lycopene more efficiently. Chocolate. You may have learned that eating a dark chocolate square at night will help lower blood pressure, but there's no limit to the good stuff. Needless to mention, cocoa also has beauty advantages. A research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that daily consumption of flavanol-rich chocolate may help protect the skin against harmful UV rays. Only watch out, don't count the Kit Kats. Overly manufactured candy bars have less flavanols than better quality stuff. Plain Greek yogurt. Protein is your friend, particularly when it comes to keeping crow's feet solid, wrinkle resilient. It is rich in B vitamins that help detoxify the skin. But remember, not all yogurts are created equal. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a staple pantry and can be found in almost every kitchen. And that is great news. Not only does it add aromatic warmth to just about every soup, it also enhances the circulation, providing hair follicles with oxygen and nutrients. Cinnamon paste or oil can also help avoid hair splitting. Curcuma. With good reason, turmeric is the reigning champ of functional foods. It is teeming with antioxidants such as curcumin. Curcumin bears strong anti-inflammatory properties which have been shown to help relieve exercise and arthritis joint pains. Another gift is their capacity to inhibit cancer cell growth and spread. Eggs. Let's skip the debate about chicken and eggs, and settle on one thing: the latter is a must for beauty. Packed with biotin, whole eggs help to protect brittle, weak hair. The protein source deserves a place in your diet. Blackberries. The antioxidants in blackberries help protect the body from exposure to free radicals, which weaken hair and nails as well as age. Blackberries offer an enormous dose of antioxidants that improve beauty to protect against the signs of aging. The bluish pigments, the anthocyanins, hold skin smooth and supple. Onion. That sound counterintuitive and leave you with a bad breath, but onions are a food which fights bacteria. A 2010 research in the Journal of Chemical and Pharmaceutical Research found that chewing 2 to 3 minutes of raw onions is adequate to kill all bacteria in the mouth. When you ask us, that sounds like a perfect excuse to put a few slices on your burger or salad. Green tea. Swap coffee for green tea every so often, to give your teeth a break. A research in the Journal of Preventive Medicine indicates that daily sipping on 1 cup of green tea a day will prevent tooth loss in older adults. The antioxidant ingredients present in green tea, catechins, are known to destroy bacteria in the mouth and prevent gum disease. One catch: you'll have to go sugar-free for your mouth to gain. Apples. An apple a day does not keep the physician away, but it does hold the dentist at bay. The high content of water and fiber works in your favor. Since it requires a decent deal of chewing, consuming an apple will push you to salivate and rinse bacteria away. The fibrous texture strengthens the gums, as well. Celery. It may be the picked-over vegetable on party spreads, or the unwanted garnish on your wings tray, but celery has its advantages. Its high water content and stringy texture help it work like a toothbrush, brushing from your teeth's sticky foods and bacteria. Shiitake mushrooms. Combat the decay of a tooth with a fungus. Lentinin, the natural sugar in shiitake mushrooms, can help to reduce the growth of bacteria and the development of plaques in the mouth. Shiitake mushrooms also help counter the bacterial biofilm that causes gum swelling and gingivitis-associated bleeding, a disorder most common in the over 35 set. Bone broth. Bone broth is made by boiling in water slowly animal bones until their collagen is broken down into gelatin and dissolved in the water. This gelatin can act as an intestinal band-aid when you ingest it, healing the lining of the digestive tract, which improves digestion and helps us absorb more nutrients. The same gelatin can also help to reinforce bones and joints in a manner that can reduce discomfort caused by age-related arthritis and joint degradation. Spinach. Don't hide out on leafy, dark greens. The vitamin K-rich spinach wins a spot on our plates when it comes to building and holding healthy bones. Only 1 cup contains more than 1000% of the required daily value of vitamin K, which lowers and regulates cell activation. They are called osteoclasts, that aids in bone breakdown. An added benefit, vitamin K facilitates the synthesis of proteins, which is important for bone strength and density. Lentils. Not only are lentils a fantastic protein source, they are also rich in the essential B vitamin folate. Being better known as vitamin B9, folate is required for the growth of cells and tissues, and that includes hair. Increasing your nutrient intake will help if you are trying to stave off silver threads. A deficiency will result in both premature graying and loss of hair, 2 items that make you look older than you are. Almond butter. While you might already be using almond oil in your hair, smearing some almond butter on a piece of Ezekiel bread or an apple may help your mane too. Aside from being full of healthy fats and high in protein, almond butter contains about 4 mg of vitamin E per tablespoon, or about 27% of your daily value recommended. The vitamin E added improves growth and keeps hair shiny and thick. Oatmeal. When a diet lacking necessary vitamins and minerals cause hair loss, oatmeal can help. Oats are filled with iron, zinc, and healthy fats in addition to keeping you satiated, all of the nutrients that help keep the strands safe and solid. Topping your bowl of oats in the morning with nuts for extra healthy fats, or berries for vital vitamin C, will add even more nutritious energy. Mangoes. Mangoes do more than whisk you away on a tropical mental holiday, they protect the skin against dangerous free radicals. You know, for when you are actually going to a destination in warm weather. All summer long, the dietary carotenoids in mangoes protect skin against UV radiation from the sun. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is more than just a diet, it's a citrus-based blessing for your skin, specifically, stretch marks. Every half provides 59% of your daily value of vitamin C, which is necessary for preserving skin cells. Most importantly, vitamin C is related to the production of collagen, which is directly linked to skin elasticity. Salmon. Find the best friend of your skin, the omega-3 rich wild salmon. In this tasty fish, the fatty acids help to hold wrinkles and fine lines away by keeping the skin smooth and moisturized. Omega-3s can also improve the defenses against UV attack on your skin. A research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate slightly more than 5 ounces of rich omega-3 fish per week decreased the occurrence of pre-cancerous skin lesions by almost 30%. Need another excuse to have freshwater fish feast? Vitamin D in salmon helps keep the bones and teeth safe. Soy. Increasing the ability of your skin to remain firm as you age by exchanging meat for tofu. Although work is not yet definitive, some say soy can be helpful in holding wrinkles at bay. A type of isoflavone soy, that is thanks to aglycone. A 2007 research in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology observed skin improvement over a 12-week period while consuming 40 mg of soy aglycones. Don't know where to find? The compound is found in whole, less refined forms of soy including tofu and edamame. Don't forget to give us a thumb up and tell us what do you think in the comment section. For more info check the links in description below. See you next video.